July 31st, 2025. Wall Street is buzzing. The energy is electric, and you can feel the anticipation in the air as investors, analysts, and tech enthusiasts gather for what many are calling the most exciting IPO of the year. The financial district is alive with chatter, and all eyes are on one company, Figma. Figma, the design platform powering creative teams everywhere, just went public, and the excitement is off the charts. For months, speculation has swirled about how the company would perform, and today, those questions are finally answered. From Silicon Valley boardrooms to design studios around the world, people are watching as Figma takes its place among the tech elite. This isn't just another IPO, it's a signal that tech is back in a big way. After a period of uncertainty and market volatility, Figma's debut is being hailed as a turning point, a moment that could reignite investor confidence in technology companies and inspire a new wave of innovation. The numbers are staggering. Figma's IPO was more than 40 times oversubscribed, demand we haven't seen in years. Investors from around the globe scrambled to get a piece of the action, signaling a renewed appetite for high-growth tech stocks and a belief in Figma's vision for the future of design. The trading floor was a frenzy, with brokers fielding calls and orders at a pace reminiscent of the dot-com boom. The sheer volume of interest in Figma's shares is a testament to the company's reputation and the pent-up demand for tech IPOs. Why the hype? Figma is the behind-the-scenes engine for digital design at companies like Netflix and Airbnb. Its collaborative platform has become essential for teams building the apps, websites, and digital experiences that shape our daily lives. Figma's tools have empowered designers and developers to work together seamlessly, no matter where they are in the world. Its journey from scrappy startup to industry powerhouse is a celebration of innovation and collaboration. Figma's founders took a bold idea, design in the browser, and turned it into a platform that's now indispensable for the world's most creative companies. Their story is one of perseverance, vision, and a relentless focus on empowering others. The stock, priced at $33, soared at open, proof that Figma's resilience after the failed Adobe deal only made it stronger. Investors see not just a company, but a movement, one that's redefining how we create and collaborate in the digital age. Today's debut isn't just Figma's win, it's a jolt of optimism for the entire tech sector. As the opening bell rings and confetti falls, it's clear that Figma's success is inspiring a new chapter for technology, creativity, and the future of work. So, what does Figma actually do? At its core, Figma is a cloud-based design tool that has completely transformed the way teams create digital products. Whether you're designing a mobile app, a website, or even just brainstorming ideas, Figma brings everyone together in one virtual space. It's like having a digital playground where creativity and collaboration happen side by side, no matter where your teammates are in the world. Imagine a shared online whiteboard where designers, writers, engineers, and even clients can all work together, live in real time. You can see changes as they happen, leave feedback instantly, and brainstorm together without ever needing to send a single file back and forth. Figma's real-time collaboration means that everyone's ideas are visible, and the creative process becomes more dynamic and interactive. Before Figma, teams juggled endless file versions, confusing email chains, and the constant worry of working on outdated designs. Designers would send files back and forth, and it was easy to lose track of feedback or accidentally overwrite someone else's work. This old way of working slowed down projects and made collaboration feel clunky and frustrating. Now, everyone collaborates in one browser-based space. No more downloading software or worrying about compatibility. Figma works right in your web browser, on any device. This means you can jump into a project from your office, your home, or even a coffee shop, and always be on the same page as your team. Figma powers the design of your favorite apps and websites, making teamwork seamless for companies big and small. From early sketches to polished prototypes, Figma helps teams turn ideas into reality faster than ever before. Its powerful features let you create interactive designs, test user flows, and share your work with anyone, instantly. It's not just for designers. Anyone can jump in, edit, comment, and contribute. Product managers, marketers, and developers can all participate, making the design process more inclusive and efficient. Figma's easy-to-use interface means you don't need to be a design expert to get involved. With features like version history, live chat, and easy sharing, Figma keeps everyone connected and projects moving forward. You can revisit previous versions, track changes, and ensure that nothing important gets lost along the way. This real-time collaboration breaks down silos, speeding up the creative process. Teams can brainstorm, iterate, and solve problems together, all in one place. The result? Faster decision-making, fewer misunderstandings, and better products. That's why giants like Netflix and Duolingo rely on Figma daily. These companies trust Figma to help their teams stay agile, creative, and connected, no matter how big or distributed they are. Its intuitive, accessible platform has built a passionate community of users. Designers, developers, and creators from all over the world share resources, tips, and inspiration, making Figma more than just a tool. It's a movement. Figma's collaborative magic is what fueled today's IPO frenzy. As more teams discover the power of working together in real time, Figma continues to shape the future of design and teamwork. Let's talk numbers. Figma's IPO is a financial blockbuster. Shares were priced at $33 but opened at over $105, tripling instantly and signaling massive investor confidence. The IPO raised $1.2 billion, giving Figma a starting valuation of $16.10 billion, soaring to nearly $59 billion as trading began. The offering was 40 times oversubscribed, leaving most institutional investors empty-handed and driving up demand. This isn't a speculative bet. Figma is already profitable and a leader in its field. The IPO gives Figma a war chest for growth and validates its strategy. Wall Street is betting big on Figma's future. This debut sets the stage for the next wave of tech IPOs. To truly grasp the excitement surrounding Figma today, let's rewind to a pivotal moment in 2022. That year, Adobe, a giant in the creative software world, made headlines by announcing its intention to acquire Figma for a staggering $20 billion. The deal was set to be one of the largest in tech history, signaling just how much potential industry leaders saw in Figma's collaborative design platform. The news sent shockwaves through Silicon Valley and Wall Street alike, with many speculating about what this union could mean for the future of digital design tools. But the excitement quickly turned to scrutiny. Regulators across the globe stepped in, voicing serious concerns that the merger would stifle competition and limit innovation in the design software market. After months of investigation and debate, the verdict was clear. The deal posed too great a risk to healthy market dynamics. In the end, government watchdogs blocked the acquisition, making it one of the most closely watched antitrust cases in recent tech memory. The collapse of the acquisition could have spelled disaster for Figma. Instead, the company emerged stronger than ever. Thanks to a hefty $1 billion breakup fee paid by Adobe, Figma not only retained its independence but also gained a massive financial cushion. This windfall allowed the company to invest in its people, its product, and its vision for the future without having to answer to a larger corporate parent. Rather than faltering after the failed deal, Figma doubled down on what made it special. The company poured resources into research and development, expanded its team, and accelerated its roadmap. With renewed focus and a war chest to match, Figma launched new features, improved its platform, and deepened its commitment to empowering designers and teams everywhere. The breakup fee became a springboard for innovation and growth. This moment became a true turning point. Figma proved to the world and to itself that it could not only survive on its own, but actually thrive. The failed acquisition was no longer a setback. It was a catalyst that propelled Figma into a new era of confidence and ambition. Fast forward to today, and Figma's story has come full circle. Its IPO valuation now eclipses Adobe's original offer, capturing the attention of investors and industry watchers everywhere. The company's financial success is a testament to its resilience, vision, and the power of staying true to its mission. By remaining independent, Figma has preserved the unique culture and creative spirit that set it apart from the start. Its team continues to innovate boldly, unburdened by the constraints of a larger conglomerate, and its community of users has only grown more passionate and engaged. Today, Figma stands not just out of Adobe's shadow, but firmly in the Wall Street spotlight. Its journey from acquisition target to IPO darling is a rare comeback story in the tech world, inspiring startups and entrepreneurs everywhere. The message is clear. Figma's independence has made it more valuable than ever, proving that sometimes the best way forward is to stand on your own. Figma's story starts with founders Dylanfield and Evan Wallace, who set out to reinvent design collaboration. Dylan, a Thiel fellow, still controls the company's direction, holding over 74% of voting power through special shares. This founder-led structure ensures Figma's original vision stays intact as it grows. Top Silicon Valley investors like Index Ventures and Kleiner Perkins backed Figma early, providing crucial support. Some investors sold shares in the IPO, but their continued involvement signals stability. With visionary leadership and strong financial backing, Figma is built for long-term success. Employees and new investors alike can trust Figma's future is in capable hands. Investors crave growth, and Figma delivers. In Q1 2025, Figma posted $228 million in revenue, a 46% jump from last year. Even more impressive, Figma is profitable with $44.9 million in net income. Its gross margin? A staggering 92%, showing the efficiency of its cloud-based model. Figma's business isn't just growing fast, it's built to last. The company projects Q2 revenue to hit up to $250 million, another 40% leap. This rare combo of high growth and profitability is why Wall Street is so excited. Figma's momentum is undeniable, and its financial health powered today's IPO success. The numbers tell a story of a company with unstoppable momentum. Figma isn't standing still. It's betting big on AI. The new Figma Make tool lets users generate app prototypes from a simple text prompt, making design faster and more accessible. AI is being woven into every part of the platform, from generating icons to translating designs into code. The goal: automate the tedious, unleash creativity, and empower anyone to design. CEO Dylanfield sees AI as a co-pilot, not a replacement for designers. Figma's AI push keeps it ahead of the competition and excites investors. This forward-thinking strategy is key to Figma's future. The company is building the tools that will define tomorrow's tech landscape. The IPO is just the beginning. Figma now has over $1 billion to fuel its ambitions. CEO Dylanfield hints at big moves, mergers, acquisitions, and expanding into new creative tools. Figma could become the all-in-one hub for product development, not just design. Global expansion is next, with plans to reach new markets and tailor products for local needs. The mission remains: make design accessible to everyone, everywhere. Expect more powerful features for pros and new tools for non-designers. Figma's journey from startup to public company is just getting started. The future? Bright, collaborative, and full of possibility. Figma's IPO is a turning point for tech. After years of quiet markets, its blockbuster debut signals a new era for software IPOs. Other startups will see Figma's success as a green light to go public. The story proves that relentless focus on product and resilience pays off. Figma grew through word of mouth, not hype, and bounced back after the Adobe deal collapsed. Its journey is a blueprint for founders everywhere. Build something users love, and the world will notice. Today's win is bigger than Figma. It's a celebration of innovation and the power of great ideas. The future of tech looks more collaborative and more exciting than ever.